Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
Remodel Your Thinking. So Remodel Your Thinking, we try to get you think a little bit differently about remodeling, and maybe you walk away with some tips on our world. So today is the selection process made easy.
the do's and don'ts.
The do's and don'ts. It really is easy. It's not complicated, we think. So first thing definitely on your do list is to plan all of your selections up front. Don't make decisions on the fly as you go. And a good example would be
say cabinets and appliances. They're both related to each other. The cabinets are built around the appliance selection, and you don't want to say, okay, we've already got the cabinets under construction. Well, now I think I haven't made my appliance selection, so I'm going to put in a 42-inch fridge. Well, we're already building the cabinets around a 36.
Yeah.
So that would delay the project and cost more. So you want to have as many selections done up front as possible, which will keep you on budget and keep the time under control.
The second thing is to make sure that you have one point contact. So not several people all making different decisions, or someone who is, builder, general contractor, who's going to hand you a list of places to go, and then you just good luck and you go shopping on your own
Have
for
fun.
your stuff. You need a point of contact, even if that person is working with a handful of people under them to coordinate it. There needs to be one throat to strangle.
As one of our clients put it one time.
A good client.
A good client.
A good client.
Exactly.
Right.
Then, of course, the next
Third
thing
thing.
would be the allowances. And what are those allowances based on, right?
Correct.
They should be based on, basically, the allowances should be based on your budget. So in other words, or on your selection. So in other words, you want to make sure that whatever the contractor puts in for your allowances are actually based on what it is that you want. You don't want to go in and say, later in the process and say, well, I wanted a $40,000 appliance package and the contractor only put in $15,000. So the allowances should be based on selections, not selections based on allowances. That way you're sure to
Exactly.
get exactly what you want within the contract price.
Right. And that'll give you room to splurge on the bigger things, and then maybe you can pull back on some things that are, where you can economically pull away from
Yeah, so that the thing,
backsplash or
exactly.
something like that.
So those are some of our little hints of the do's and don'ts for selection process made easy. Hopefully it makes it easier for you. I think so.
Yeah. You walk away with something new today that you didn't know about 3 minutes ago. Thanks so much.
Have a great day.
See you next time.
Bye.